Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2018 Lexus LS500. Did some subs in here. We also tinted the windshield. Blocks it out of the heat. We use a ceramic film so it keeps all the heat out so you don't feel any kind of heat coming in, which is great, especially on your front windshield because it's the biggest piece of glass in the car. So we did a couple of our stacked fab Phantom Fit boxes in here. We did the Lexus, we stitched it in like a darker gray. And we did 2 Audio Mobile 10s right in the sides here. So it's pretty, not pretty stealth, but it doesn't take up a lot of room in the trunk. They don't stick past the side here. So these subs are optimized for these the boxes are optimized for the subs. We can make them go up to about 0.8 cubic feet. We can shrink it down. These Audio Mobiles use about 0.4, but they play real deep and they sound real pure. Awesome sounding amp subs. So this is actually the back side of our subwoofer enclosure here. What we do is we basically take strips of wood, we machine them on the CNC machine, and each piece is contoured going up on the side of the enclosure there. And then what we do is we actually wood glue all the pieces together so it's very strong. The actual glue is actually stronger than the wood itself. And then we take fiberglass resin and basically paint the inside of it so that it's really sealed up and it doesn't leak through the wood. And it gives it a lot tighter base. And then we did an amp down here in the spare tire well. Well, I guess it's not a spare tire well, but the well down here, we did an Arc Audio 1100. Tied it into the factory system. Audio amp, we built a little board and carpeted it. Kind of like the angled piece that was in there. Installed that right there, right in front of the battery. But we sell these on our website, store.audiodesignscg.com. So check it out. Or if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322.